So chords by the numbers. This is stuff that we've talked about before, but this is sort of the get comfortable with what are the options playing exactly by the rules and nowhere else. G, 7 notes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, and it just repeats. Every chord has an option. If you want to stick in the 3-note chord, a G, 1, 5, 1, 3, 5, 1. And just looking at that, you should mentally, you don't have to say the words out loud, but you should say, okay, there's 1s, 3s, and 5s in that chord. The 2 chord, 1, 5, 1, flat, 3, 5, 1. So that keeps all the notes in the G major scale. The 3 chord is the same. The 4 chord is major. The 5 chord is also major. The 6 chord is minor, and it goes right back to the 1 chord. We'll skip over the diminished. So what we get is, to stay within the confines, if we want to play next level or add a 4th note, we're going to add the 7. So for G major 7, that's our other alternative. That's our 7 that we add. The 2 chord, which is minor, we can only add the flat 7. We play the A minor 7 like that, or we call it a brushy sometimes. The 3 chords exactly the same. For 7s, we get one choice. We have to have a flat 7 to keep it within the confines of G major scale. And then 5, the flat 7 only works. So it's either a C chord or a C7 chord. So those are the choices. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. And that keeps all the notes in the key of G without breaking any rules. Now, once we have established that, we start looking at patterns that go through the scale. 1, 3, 5, 1. 1, 3, 5, major 7. Those are the 2 choices. They're both still notes from the G major scale. 1, 3, 5, 1. 1, 3, 5, 7. Those are our choices. The 2, look at the relationship between the A. The flat 3 is normally down and back, or a minor chord to keep it in G. So we got, there's A minor, B minor, C major 7, that's our 4 chord, 5, dominant, or there's a 9 chord, 6 is minor, 7 is diminished, and 1. So that's how you build numbers and notes and scales. That's why when you know that your 3 chord is a B minor, you can kind of pick your B minor that best suits you. So those are helpful notes for understanding the relationship between the shapes of chords and the numbers. You need to stack things that make sense for a major chord. 1, 3, 5, major 7. Useful tidbits. Keep rocking on.